Here I am out in my garage, trying not to freeze to death. Other than some of you, it's a lot colder than where I'm at. We're just getting pounded by rain. But I misordered the sill for my rear differential cover. There's round ones and there's square ones. I got the round one, but it's square. So keep that in mind if you get a four-wheel drive rear end out of an S10 or Sonoma, Jimmy, or Blazer, that there's two types of sills, gaskets for the rear end pan or rear end sill cover. I got to pull the transmission back out that I worked on. I got some issues going on there, most of which is I don't know what the heck I'm doing. So I'm gonna get that pulled and try and get the torque converter off and see exactly what I've got going on there, and then try and get it lined up to get the flex plate put together. So here we go. So I got it out and I got the torque converter off, which was my goal. I need to make sure I get these teeth lined up, I think, and then should be able to get it to rotate. Also, I need to figure out my bolt pattern on it to see if it matches up with this flywheel or where I need to get it to so it'll match up. I did get the flywheel to turn, which is a major plus. Had to pull all the spark plugs, but I did get it free. Okay, filled it up with some ATF, made a mess when I tried to put it on, so it must have had plenty. And I got the 3 clunks, and the thing will rotate now, which I couldn't get that out of it last time. So now I'll raise it up there and I'll see where those holes are. Okay, so now I'll take the transmission and I'll try move it over and see where I line up. Remember reading something about how this bolt here, that hole there, is different than the others, but I'm not really seeing it. That one looks probably the same. They're all 3 kind of oblong. I think I gotta go here, here, and here. At least that'll be my goal. We'll see if it works. And I found that I had some screws for my starter, which is kind of nice. Okay, I got this thing all bolted up again. As I was bolting it up, I remembered that I have my new rear mount that is coming, so I get to do it all over again. But I think there's one minor issue down underneath here. No, that's my gap. And I haven't pried on it, but I've put a little bit of pressure on that torque converter to get the gap that I need, because I need to get that past the hole right there. Kind of see it, but I've got to get that right there. Any tips would sure help me out. Thanks for watching.